Hello everybody, good day researchers. For this video, for the video number 4 for SPSS tutorial, the discussion is on um, difference, like what is the significant difference between this and that, and we are not using Pearson R because that is for correlation. We will be using independent t-test. Now, um, of course, the first what's that? The first question in the SOP, especially if you are asking for what is the gender difference between um, this between male and female, like that. So of course, the first one is you need to have a table for demographic profile. In this scenario for this particular paper, their research focused on the difference between athlete and working students' time management skills. Now, in the example I have, for example, you're comparing male and female students' time management skills. So that's why I wrote in gender, because most also of those who are having comparative study is they're comparing male and female. Okay, and the question number one is what is the gender profile of the respondents, okay, in terms of male and female. So that's why I put in gender. And the variable that you are going to compare these uh, um, students groups, no, we have two groups man, male and female. So I have TMS1 there. TMS is short for time management skills. Okay, because time management skills ang ato ang question ani, no, sa example. Alright, so again, sa name, of course, you will uh, have that there, and then values and measure, it's all scale. For values, if you can see there sa gender, kay 1 is female, 2 is male, gi-assign na lang nato nga 1 female, kay of magtype ka female, male, dugay kaayo, so diretso na lang 1 and 2, diretso na na siya. Automatic na na siya nga 1, if na-answer nga 1 female na na-answer nga 2 male, okay? And then, asa man tagikan aning 1, 2, and 3, gikan siya sa inyohang questionnaire. Sa kaning nga questionnaire, time management skills, high, moderate, ug low, na ay to look up on kay 3-point scale raman di siya. So if 3-point scale ana, nata diri, ang 3 is always, ang 2 is sometimes, and ang 1 is never. For example, I do things in order of priority. Unsa man na siya, always, sometimes, or never. I have a weekly schedule in which I record fixed commitments such as classes, work hours, unsa man na siya, never, sometimes, always. TMS, time management skills. Thank you so much. Okay, that's okay na. Then same ra na siya dara tanan sa values. Suppose nga 10 ra ka buok ang imuhang items sa imuhang questionnaire. So if you can see, daghan kay ni siya, maabot ni siya pila ka buok, 20 tingali ni, no, tanan. But then ako lang siya yung gitan for the sake of example. So what will we do? Go to data view, na ana na din ha. Okay, so type in, for example, kanang 15 ka male, ang ka lang. And then 15 sad ka 2. 15 ka female. There, manadaan. 13 na naka-respondents. Then ansiran lang na nato og between 1, 2, and 3. Ay, see? Okay, sige. So, mana na siya. See, 32. Wrong na tayo. Hindi na siya ma-interpret. So, okay. Ano lang na siya. Wala na ako nabutangan dayaan. Oh, na pa 12. Okay. So, ako na lang na siyang i-copy paste haron mahusay na niya na ka-start na ta sa ato ang as example, I mean how do we analyze. Ano na lang na siya. Okay. Copy na nato. Copy paste. No, 21 patay ta na. dara. Wala. Iya pa ni 3 para na sa 3. Okay man na. So ingon ana lang siya. 12 1. Okay, done. So 30 correspondence na. So na gender. Okay, so ang SOP1, of course, you will be asked to present a table. Kaya nag-ask mo ka sa gender profile in terms of male, female. Okay, so gender profile of the respondent. So pila ang frequency and personage. Again, how to do that? Click on analyze. Okay, this analyze, and then descriptive statistics, and then click frequencies, and then this gender there ibutang. Click statistics, mean, standard deviation, apil na lang na siya, and continue. Again, gender, statistics, mean, standard deviation, continue. Gender to no, okay. Then there. Then nanadara ang mean and standard deviation nimo sa gender no, as lang sana. Then this is the frequency nimo. Okay, frequency nimo is 15% is 50%, of course. That's it. So if you can see mo na siya 15 frequency, then that is the demographic profile. So man siya ang gender profile nimo ang ibutang dili demographic. Okay? So man na chapter 4, next table, okay, level na sad of time management atang gipangita. So kani siyang tagsa-tagsa TMS unsay level sa time management nimo. How do you do that? Analyze. So ganina kay ato is analyze descriptive statistics, nag frequency man tano to determine male and female frequency. Now we are going to go to analyze descriptive statistics, descriptives. Click. Nakita na siya. So descriptives nga part, na siya ang you will click on tagsa-tagsa tanan. Kamutang nimo ang kada TMS, time management skills. Options. Okay. Automatic na siya mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Ito sa descending means, continue. Click OK. So, dara ang mean and dara ang standard deviation ng mga numbers. Okay, so if imong ibutang here, tagsa-tagsa si TMS1 na siya din ha, mo na yung mean, mo na yung. And if you've noticed, ang iyang no, kabantay ka ang mean niya 2.6, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.2, 2.2, 2.1, 2, 1. So ingana na siya. So maguna si 2.23, 2.20, 2.16, 2.10. Dapat descending order. Maguna ang kinadak-an hangtod sa kinagamian. So ingananaon siya nimo pag-present. No. So 1.56 last na siya. So si TMS1 nga item siya maguna ini ka present nimo sa table. And then si TMS5 siya, since siya may pinakagamay og mean score, siya kinalasan. Okay? Tapos dara unsaan gini pagkuha ang mean range. So to get the mean range, or gihapon to nga kani no nga formula, highest value minus the lowest value divided by the number of items in the scale. So in this case 3 man ang highest, minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 3. Okay, so 2 divided by 3, mauna siya ang iyahang range. Lano, bright should kita. Okay, sige. 2 divided equals, okay, 0.6. So, mo ni siya, okay, So 3 minus 0.66 is equal to 3 minus 0.66. 3 minus 0.66 is equal to 2.34. Taran, ang mean mo na 2.34 to 3 ang iyahang range, high na siya. And then 2.34 minus 0.66 is you get 1.67. 1.67 minus 0.66 is 1. Okay, so inadaon na siya pag-compute sa mean range. Please take note ha, unsaan pag-compute sa mean range. Okay, magawa sa quiz. Unsaan pag-compute sa mean range or the class interval. So, highest value minus the lowest value divided by the number of scale. Nya mao na siya kasagaran. Ang number of scale is highest value gid na siya. No, terms lang. So, mo na siya. Okay. Balik ta ha. So, dara. Ayun na siya pag-present. No. So, table 2.1, level of time management skills of athletes. So, butang ta lang na, this is a level of, kadali lang, ha. Okay. Ang tanan maningal level. Wait lang a moment. Compare the means of the two groups. Tanan din na siyang mean. Sorry, na wrong na. Let's go to analyze and hala ka diha. Analyze. Wait lang. Lain-lain ni siya og kuan. Okay. Wait lang ha. Ganina, ato ang gisagol manggod ang gender, which is male and female. Di ta na mao. Okay? So, ato ni siyang i-backtrack na to, no? I'm gonna delete. No, dili siya pwede. Clear. Kina-excite. So, clear. Miss, kanang ipanangtang na siya. Because, di man na to makuha ang kanang tagsa nga mean ani if sagulo na to siya. So, unahon na to ang number 1, which is ang female, to get the mga mean. Okay? So, gender 1 tanan, which is 1 tanan female. Okay. Go here and analyze descriptive statistics, descriptives. Balik na ni mo. Hindi naman. Para di options, mura gihapon na. Continue lang. Again, descending means continue. Okay. So, when you click okay, ang from n nga 30, nahimo na siyang n nga 15. Kay 15 na lang man kabuok. Kay ang mao man siya ang mean scores sa gender 1, which is female. So, that's it. And mao na siya, naniu na siya. The level of time management skills of females. Muna siya table 2.1 niya. Ibutang nga dira. Kintahay, ang kaning mean nga 2.33. Okay? Muna siya highest man. So, butang na siya mean 2.33 niya. Ang butang ta lang, mo gihapon si I do things in order ang pinaka kanang topmost nga mean. Ibutang lang dira. Okay? And then the same gyapon since 3-point scale man siya, mao gyapon ni siya mo follow kaning maning mean range niya. And then that's it. No, for kanang all nga gender 1 is female man. Okay. So now let's go and input na sad by this time ang 2 na pod. Okay, sige. Kadali lang ha. Okay, so ano ang electric fan, nadungog siya, dire. So 2 ang ibutang ako din. Hey, why? Because this is male naman dili naman female, no? Kay female ganina 1, 2 na ron kay male. So, ako lang na siyang iuzab-uzab ang mga items. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ano lang natin mga uspon-uspon kunuhay. Kanang 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Ano, ito, uspon-uspon lang kunuhay para hindi ka kuan. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, ano na lang. So, 2 na na siya sa gender nga male. Okay. So, analyze gihapon descriptive statistics and of course descriptives lang gihapon. And ipang-uli lang sa nimo para make sure nga lain na siya nga data ang makuan diha. Okay, pang-uli lang sa na to. Uli, okay. X lang sana. Again, analyze descriptives. Tapos pang-uli sana na to. Okay, so then ano lang na siya, ana. MSG. Make sure lang ba nga sakto na to ang mga nakuan. Alright. And then this is what we're gonna do. Again, options gihapon mo mean sa division minimum maximum descending means kana ra gihapon ha. Done. Continue. Okay. So if you've noticed kanisha, this is for mga female, no? Kanisha. And then this is for male. Okay, male na siya. Okay, that's it. You have to be very careful. So, of course, the first one is the level of time management skills of females. Mo ni siya. Sila kaning gauna. And then, i-interpret na din ani man table. And then, next is the level, table 2.2. The level of time management skills of males. Kay males naman ang ikaduha na itong table. Right? Okay. And then, that is it. Now, kanang compared means of level of management, time management skills of athletes. So, kanang awaha. So, male, sa female ganina mo niyahang weighted mean. Okay, kay kuhaon mong gid na nimo ang weighted mean. So, how do we compute for the weighted mean? Ang weighted mean is ang gi-add na tanang mean. So, for example, dinhi, kaning means sa mga girls, sa females, kanitanan i-add ra na nimo. And then sa males, i-add sa tanan. How do we get the weighted mean? Just click on transform. Alright, wait lang. And transform compute variable. Okay. Mean. Unsa ni? Weighted mean sa mga pa ha. Kanang so kani male and female weighted mean of time management. So kani is number 2 man no. Okay, so sa mga male kanang time management skills nga mean. Okay. So ibutang lang na nimo siya din ha. Again, statistical mean. TMS1 go. TMS2 go, comma, TMS3, comma, TMS4, comma, TMS5, comma, TMS6, comma, TMS7, comma, TMS8, comma, TMS9, comma, TMS10. Ay, tara di ay 9 and then okay. And then click OK. And then hatag niya ang pinagsa nga mean. Okay, which is pinagsa na siya ngayon. So ato na lang na siyang ikuhaon ang total niya. We go to analyze descriptives, and kani nasa uli sa na nimo tanan dira for you to get the overall mean. Okay, male TMS means tagsa ka means nila. Go there, And then options, unsa, continue. Okay, continue lang gihapon. Then click OK. There, if you can see, this is the weighted mean. So, ano siya, tagsa-tagsaon man imong butang there, no? Tagsa-tagsaon na siya diha. So, gender is 2 lucky, female, male, and then nadara ang mga means nila. Tagsa-tagsa na there. And then, butang nimo dra, weighted mean and overall SD. Asa ka manguha ana from there. Gikan na siya sa, again, analyze, descriptive statistic, analyze, descriptive statistics, and descriptives. Gikan siya dira. Ang weighted mean sa tanan. No? Diha ka nag-options ra ka, and then that's it. Alright. So, I think that's it. No, same ra gyapon no sa male o female, butangan jud na nimo din ha og mga mean. Okay? And then weight overall mean. Okay, so unsay overall mean niya? There kana sa mga lalaki. So let's say sa mga babae. So separate jud lain-lain jud nimo og kanang interpret niya. Butang sad ka dinhi sa mga babae og kanang mga stuff. Okay, then let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, and then clear lang na mo siya because that's male man. So karon female na. Go analyze descriptive statistics. Descriptives. Wait lang. Transform. If ganahan ka makakita sa mean sa tagsa. Kani kay female na. Female, TMS mean, and then statistical mean. Okay. So nakita na dira na ilang mga female mean. Go na to analyze descriptive statistics, descriptives. Go to female kani dire. Options, tara standard deviation niya. Just continue. And then okay. So nanaka. So mo ni siya sa male nga time management skills mean, female time management skills mean. Butangan nimo dir ka, and then you go for karon is mag-compare na tano sa p-value, t-value, and then see if naa ba siya correlation. See if naa siya correlation kay no man imong gusto nga pangitaon. How do we do that? So the same ra gihapon sa correlation, you go to kani is comparing naman gud two groups. So dili gyud punta sa analyze, pero di ba sa two groups correlate ka by variate. Karon dili na ani na ka sa analyze and then compare means kay duha man to, no? And then go for independent samples t-test. So ano ito? Analyze, compare means, independent samples t-test. Mao na siya dapat ang command. Analyze, compare means, independent samples t-test. Click that, nakakita ka na. So, ano na siya? Female TMS mean. Alright. Include the mean of two groups. Independent samples t-test. Oy. Okay. Reset lang sana ako ha. Okay, so I'll just be doing the input na to din ni ang means sa mga katong in order to do that muna tunungan natin mga tudere kaya naaman to ikuan na i-compare sila and all. Okay, and then just copy this. Pero sasarin na lang na siya. 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, okay. And let's go ahead. kay kaniha asab dimi independent sample t-test. Yes, time pa ha. Go back ta dire. Select gender, define groups, set the values, options, select gender, define groups. Aha, okay. Niya, matala na siyang ibutang, i-clear lang na niya ha, kadali. So, nanatanan diri si boys and girls. Analyze, descriptive statistics, descriptives, okay, for the mean, wait lang. Transform sa tabi compute variable, mean, all, mean. Tapos, statistical mean, murag gihapon, okay, click okay. Then, another ang mean sa tanan, mean scores, and unsaon na siya. Manaman tagkuha sa tagsa-tagsa ka mga means kanina. No, and then now we are going to compare the two. So, analyze, compare means independent samples t-test. Analyze, compare means independent sample t-test. Select gender. Okay. Define groups. Confidence interval percentage is okay. Continue. Grouping variable. Diba? Adara di ay group 1 is male. Group 1 number man to siya. Group 1 and then group 2. Continue. And then test variables is all mean. Tangta na to dara options. Continue lang options. Ano siya? Confidence interval percentage. Let's continue that lang. Set the values options 0.05 margin of error. Na ba siya margin of error gipang let's try okay. La isa ha na okay ba to? Dara t-test for equality of means. Interval of difference, confidence interval of difference. Okay, male, female, equal variances assumed. Dara, equal variances assumed. Dara. And then, ano siya, sig two-tailed. You check the sig two-tailed in the p-value. May p-value din hi. Sig two-tailed ra no. Dara ay. If p is less than p. Balik ko na to b. Masin ako pinasayop ano yung Analyze, compare means, independent samples t-test. Ang all mean options 0, pwede mag-point 0.05%. Continue, okay. Saan mo na ron? Dara ay the same na day hapon. Dara ang standard deviation and dara sig two-tailed standard error of difference t-value man siya. Dependent samples t-test. Ay dara lol, sorry. T-value and p-value. Equal variances assumed. Mo ni siya equal variances assumed. Okay. Sig two-tailed. and go back to basta tatong kuan sig2tailed dali lang ha. Wait, asa man to akong notes there. Okay. R. Ay, sa ha. This is getting out of hand, but, full na di ay. Hindi pangita nga file. Okay, finish this earlier. Then, wait. Dara di ay. Okay, sig2tailed is the p-value. Ha, naraman good ang p-value. Kala, kakapoy ani ay. Dara, sig2tailed is the p-value, and then, R, wala man ay Pearson R, kaya of course, dili naman ta. Sorry for confusing everyone. Okay, so, kailang sig2tailed, dara, and let's go on this, ha, dara. Yung pag Pearson R, yung na appeal. Independent t-test mo ni siya. Dara, t-value, equal variances assumed. So, arita sa equal variances assumed, dari sa 0.058, 0.812, 0.0028, sig2tailed is 1. Tapos, so, if ang sig2tailed is 1.0, if p is greater than 0.05, yeah, 1.0 man gyud na siya dira. Accept the null hypothesis because there is no significant difference. So let's go to the example. Okay. Nope, that's not it. It's dire. Bilang t value niya, dire kay 0.606. Ari sa equal variance is assumed. So t value is 0.000. You write there 0.000. Ang p value niya, which is p value is sig2tailed, so kani siya 1.00. So since if p is greater than 0.05, kani siya kay 1.0 na gud siya, accept the null hypothesis because there is no significant difference. So asa ni siya to example, accept HO kay there is no significant relationship. Okay, kaya dapat less than 1.05. Hindi siya less than. Okay? Para maka-reject ka sa null hypothesis. So, if kani, ari ka sa equal variances assumed, your presentation would be like this. P value is, ang P value is ang sig2tailed 1.00, and then ang T value nimo is this one, 0.00. So, decision is accept HO, and then not significant ang ibutang. Just like that. And that's already the compared means of the level of time management skills of males and females. Kata sa example na to kaniha. And yeah, you're done with chapter 4, and then chapter 5 na dayon summary of findings. So findings show that there is no significant difference between, so basically there is no significant difference between male and female kani. That is it for analyzing data sa comparative, independent analyze, compare means, and then independent samples t-test, and then ibutang lang na nimo din ha ang put gender here, and then grouping variable na nimo, define the group 1 is 1, group 2 is 2, and then continue lang, then ang test variable is all means, and then click OK. That's it. Alright, thank you so much everybody, and I hope everybody will have a great day. Bye for now, researchers.